Hey everyone, if you're applying for a job, having a professional resume is essential. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a clean, modern resume in Microsoft Word using built-in templates and simple formatting tools. So let's get started. Open Microsoft Word, and on the home screen, use the search box to look for resume. You'll see several professionally designed templates. Choose one that matches your style, then click Create to open it. Replace the sample information with your own details. Start with your full name, phone number, email address, and location. If you have a professional portfolio or LinkedIn profile, you can include that as well. Now edit each section of the resume. Add a short professional summary. List your work experience, education, skills, and any certifications or projects that are relevant to the job you're applying for. Keep your descriptions clear and concise. Once your information is in place, review the formatting. Adjust the font size if needed, keep spacing consistent, and use bold headings to make each section easy to scan. A clean layout helps employers find important information quickly. When everything looks good, click File, then Save as to save your resume as a Word document. For job applications, it's also a good idea to choose Export or Save as PDF so your formatting stays the same on any device. And that's how to create a professional resume in Microsoft Word. With the right template and a clean layout, you'll have a resume that's ready for job applications in just a few minutes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.